Here we are on another episode of the Shade Tree Mechanic. So, got a few developments here. Let me just go inside real quick, show you what's popping. So bang. Put the car in park, crank the key, nothing. Got battery, but no crank. You can see the gauges change when I try to crank, but I get nothing. But put it in neutral. Walk back over here to the front. Open up my little fuse box here. And I jerry-rigged this little thing here. It's a starter relay. If I press it, get some crank action. So, something's wrong somewhere in the ignition. Now, I cleaned off all those grounds over there, but there's one I'm not too sure about. When I look at this one here, down in here, I think that's supposed to have another wire on it. That's going to the distributor. I don't know what that little piece is called, but I think it's something else supposed to go right there, or either of those need to be switched. If you know what's up, let me know. Oh, and I just checked all the connections on my alternator and got new bolts for those, so can't be that. I appreciate any help you got.